Hey guys, Holiday Master here, and today I'm going to do a quick little video of testing out this little Halloween waterfall I got. Now I hope it's dripping from there, not underneath. But yeah, so I filled it up already. I may have put too much in it. I did have to fix the pump, so I'm hoping it works underwater. Let me set it up here. I will plug it in. Yeah, that water's coming off the side, so maybe I did put too much water in it. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, other than having too much water in it, it's pretty cool. Too bad there's no lights in it or anything, you know. I'm definitely gonna have to replace the motor though. The motor's too bad shape. Sit down here. So yeah, guys. Oh, here, wait. I want to see if it starts up again. No, it's still loud. But alright, guys. That's it for this video. Short little video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.